Just into our newsroom, we now know the name of the person who died after a gas leak in Lexington. The Fayette County coroner identified the man as 62-year-old Samuel Gross. The coroner did not identify a cause of death yet. One will be issued after a toxicology report. Officials say at around 5 yesterday morning, calls came into the Lexington Fire Department for an unconscious person at the Oxford Circle Apartments. Crews started evacuating residents as dangerous levels of carbon monoxide were found throughout the building. 11 other people were affected by the gas, but are expected to be okay. Often called a silent killer, carbon monoxide is odorless and invisible, making detectors essential in homes.
If you have natural gas usually feeds a gas range. It feeds your water heater. It can potentially feed your heating system. If you have one of those in your home, if you're getting a bill from the gas company, have a CO detector in your home.
The Lexington Fire Department will install smoke detectors and one CO detector in your home for you.